Hello everyone. In this segment, we will talk about cyberbullying or anti-bullying laws in India. How many times we have heard that someone make a fake profile of somebody and send derogatory and vulgar messages? Well, it is just an instance of cyberbullying or anti-bullying. Cyberbullying was the first time dealt as an issue by the Supreme Court in the landmark case of Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan. In this deal, while dealing with the issue of bullying, guidelines to protect women from sexual harassment was laid down by the Supreme Court. Cyberbullying means the bullying which is done through digital services such as mobiles, computers, laptops, or tablets, via instant messaging, SMS, online social media platform, or any online groups where people can share and exchange messages. Sending, sharing, or posting mean, harmful, or false information about someone defines bullying. Cyberbullying is criminal offense. To define cyberbullying, the most acceptable definition of cyberbullying which has been used is an aggressive, intentional act or behavior that is carried out by a group or an individual using electronic forms of contact repeatedly and over time against a victim who cannot easily defend him or herself. There have been variations to this definition. Explaining the meaning of bullying, that cybercrime experts have accepted this definition. Places of occurrence of cyberbullying are social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, or SMS, text message from the cellular networks, instant message service, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, iMessage, Telegram, etc. Cyberbullying can be done in different forms over the various online platforms. Some of the cyberbullying examples are humiliating, embracing content posted online about the victim of online bullying, hacking of account, posting vulgar messages, threatening the victim to commit an act of violence, stalking, child pornography or threats of child pornography. Cyberbullying versus cyberstalking. There is no much difference between the offense of cyberbullying and cyberstalking. Both relates to cyber harassment. The difference between the two kinds of the offense is the age of the offender or the perpetrator of the crime. Cyberbullying or anti-bullying is an offense done by the adolescent, but when the same is done by a major, it is known as cyberstalking. Legally, there is no difference between the two other than the age of the offender. The cyberstalking is a form of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying laws in India. To have an understanding of cyber law in India, it is necessary what it is the meaning of bullying and what is cyberbullying in India. Bullying means inflicting physical or psychological pain and hurt in a systematic way to distress the victim, which are mostly students and employees. And when the bullying is done online, it is known as anti-bullying or cyberbullying. There is no specific legislation that provides for the specific cyberbullying laws in India. However, provisions such as Section 67 of the IT Act, Section 507 of CPC, IPC, Section 66E of IT Act protect yourself from cybercrimes and consider top cybercrime lawyers and file cybercrime complaint. Okay, guys, that's it for today.